In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Replit app, step-by-step guide. First, open your browser and head to the Replit homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your projects. Before we begin, have the custom domain you want to use ready. You can use a root domain like example.com or a subdomain like app.example.com. Spelling matters here, so double-check it before you move forward. From the Replit home screen, locate the project you want to connect to your domain. This is the site or app you're ready to share publicly. Click to open the project workspace. You'll see the familiar Replit editor with your files, the preview pane, and controls across the top and right sides. Now, look for the place where you manage your app's live settings. Depending on the current interface, this will appear as a Deployments or Publish area, often labeled with something like Deploy, Publish, or Domain Settings. Click to open that panel. You're in the right spot when you see options related to making the project live and managing its domain. Inside the Domain panel, you'll find a field to enter a custom domain. Click into that field and type your domain exactly as you want it to appear. If you plan to use a subdomain, include it as well. As you type, Replit may suggest matches or show a confirmation option. Select the domain entry that corresponds to what you typed. If you see a prompt to confirm your choice, go ahead and confirm. Continue through the on-screen prompts by clicking the highlighted buttons that guide you forward. The interface is designed to keep you on track, so if you see a button to proceed or save, click it. When your domain appears selected in the panel, you're ready to finalize. To complete the setup, click Publish. This pushes your current project configuration live and associates it with the custom domain you just added. Stay on the page for a moment while Replit updates the status. If you're asked to wait briefly, that's normal. Domain connections sometimes need a little time to settle. That's it. You've gone from the Replit homepage to your project, into the domain area, entered your custom domain, confirmed it, and published. Keep your domain handy for future updates. And remember, clear naming and careful typing help avoid common hiccups. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly branded Replit app.